Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be putting you guys through on how to participate in Chainbase Airdrop. But before we dive into today's tutorial, please do be reminded that you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network, right? So the contract address will be in the description. So let's dive right into the tutorial. Chainbase is a decentralized chain, and it basically integrates data across several blockchains, bringing them into a unified ecosystem so as to ensure easy accessibility of these data. So I'm just basically going to be putting you through on how to position for any potential airdrop from them. And it's actually not difficult. It just basically involves daily check-ins. So I'm going to go ahead to open Mrs. Browser. Alright, so the next thing to do is to go over to Chainbase. So I already copied the link. I'll paste and search. Alright, so once this opens, scroll down and select Connect Wallet. Select MetaMask. Alright, so select Connect. Sign in. Select Sign. Select Confirm. Alright, so if you joined using a fresh link, you can impute a referral code, right? But if you use the link of an already existing user, you will automatically see the referral code imputed here, like so. Right, so select Go. Alright guys, so we are here, and what you can see here is your dashboard. This is our dashboard. This shows the amount of zircons that we have earned, right? So how this works basically is you check in like on a daily basis for new tasks, and then you complete these tasks. Scrolling down here, you'd see that there are tasks to actually complete. So you complete these tasks, and once you complete them, you will be rewarded in zircons. So, and once you have earned your zircons, you should see the amount of zircon that you have earned over here on your dashboard. Alright, so let's complete some of these tasks. Over here in the priority section, the first task, you can see it is actually locked, so it can't be completed now. And the second one, you'll have to own an NFT, right? So if you don't, I think you'll have to skip that. The third one, you will have to spend, the third one is like a lucky draw, right? And you'll have to spend 100 zircon to actually participate. All right, so since we do not have any of these, we're going to leave this section and come over here. So coming down here, the first task is to create a bridge to connect with the Chainbase network through Zan Node and enhance your Web3 journey. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Select Go. All right, so over here, these are the stuff we have to do. The first step is to create a personal API key using the Zan node. The third is to follow Zan on X and retweet the post, right? And you can see for each of these tasks, we'll have rewards in zircons, right? So let's move to the first step. Select Connect Wallet. Select MetaMask. Connect. Approve. Confirm. All right, so once your wallet is connected, select Create Now. All right, so if you don't have an account on Zan Node, you will have to sign up. So select Sign Up. So you can create an account using your email and repeating the password, but I'm going to use my Gmail. So I'll select Agree and continue with Google. Alright guys, so once you're here, just input your first and last name. Select Complete. Select I agree and confirm. Alright, so select create new project and impute a name, confirm. Alright, so created successfully. So you can see we have just finished step 1. So we're going to go over to step 2. Follow Zan on X and retweet the post. So go. So verify. Select login with X. Alright, select authorize app. So once you're done, select verify. You'll have to connect your wallet to T-Book. So select connect, MetaMask, confirm, select verify. Since you haven't finished that. Alright, so we have verified, but I actually didn't do the tax. I didn't follow this account. Alright, but then I'm verified. But do ensure that you follow the account so that you don't have issues getting verified. Alright, so next is to retweet their posts. So verify. You can see it says I have to go finish the tax. So go over to X now. Alright, so guys, here is the post. So I'm going to follow the account and then I'm going to retweet, repost. Alright guys, so I was unable to complete all the tasks, right? But yet I'm verified, but do ensure that you complete all of the tasks, right? So once you're done, you'll get a small reward of 40 points on T-Book for completing the tasks, right? But that's basically not what we're after, right? So we're going to go back to Zan Node. And then we're going to confirm that we have successfully completed this task. Select verify. You can see it just confirmed that the task has been completed. Alright, so select return to Chainbase. Okay, so guys, this is the task that we have been trying to complete so far. Right, so once you're done with all of those procedures, just select verify. Okay, so just scroll down and yeah, you can see that we now have our Zcoins on our dashboard. For these tasks that we just completed, we actually earned 120 Zcoins. So guys, you just want to go through all of these tasks and ensure that you complete as many as you can complete. Some might require you having like real assets, right? If you don't have the assets, it's fine. You can just skip and do those ones that are free. All right, so we're going to do one more task before we bring this tutorial to a close. So this one requires us to link up our Twitter account. So just select go. All right, so over here is our Twitter, right? And here's our Discord. For linking each of these social accounts, we are going to get rewards, right? So we're going to link both actually. So let's link Twitter first. Select link, authorize app. All right, so our Twitter is linked. We're going to link our Discord, link, authorize. So my Discord has been successfully linked. So scroll down, select home. All right, so we'll have to verify these tasks that we just completed. Select verify for Twitter. All right, so let's go to our dashboard. All right, so you can see we got 100 Zcoins for connecting our Twitter account. So let's go verify our Discord. Select verify. Scroll down, and as you can see, we also had 100 Zcoins for linking our Discord. Alright guys, so like I said, ensure that you complete as many of these tasks as you can complete. If you do not have funds to do those ones that require funds, there are some free ones here, like joining Chainbase Discord, following them on Twitter, and then you can also earn more Zcoin through referrals, right? So all you have to do is copy your referral link, send them over to your friends and have them set up their account. and you should be rewarded for that, right? To get your referral link, select go, and this should take you to the referral interface. Here you can see the total referrals that you have. You can see your valid referrals. By valid, I believe your active referrals, and then you can see the amount of zircons that you've earned from referring, right? So all you have to do is copy your link, send over to your friends, or just copy your referral codes and send over to your friends. All right, guys, so that will be all for now on this one. If you have any questions concerning the tutorials, please do not hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a video. Thank you for watching. See you in another tutorial. Bye.